What if I told you that energy conservation is more relevant than ever in today's world? Rising utility costs and growing environmental concerns have encouraged many households to seek out simple, cost-effective strategies to lower energy use. Fortunately, many energy-saving practices don't require special equipment or investments. Instead, they can be integrated into daily routines with minimal effort. These 10 methods provide practical and completely free ways to reduce home energy use, save money, and support a more sustainable future. One of the most effective and immediate ways to reduce energy consumption is by remembering to turn off lights when they are not needed. Light fixtures that remain on in empty rooms waste electricity throughout the day and night, contributing to both environmental strain and higher utility bills. This habit may seem small, but when practiced consistently, it makes a measurable difference. Developing a routine of switching off lights upon exiting a room reinforces energy-conscious behavior throughout the home and sets a positive example for others in the household. Another significant source of energy waste comes from electronics and household devices that are left on or in standby mode. Items such as televisions, computers, game consoles, and stereo systems often continue drawing power even when they appear to be turned off. This standby power consumption, sometimes referred to as phantom or vampire energy, can quietly add up over time. A practical solution is to completely shut down these devices when not in use. Using power strips with a switch allows multiple devices to be turned off at once, making it easier to eliminate unnecessary power draw with a single action. When it comes to laundry, running only full loads is an effective way to save energy. Washing machines use roughly the same amount of electricity and water regardless of the load size, so it makes sense to maximize their capacity. Additionally, opting for cold water instead of hot or warm settings can further cut energy usage, since water heating is a major source of energy demand in the laundry process. Beyond machine usage, reducing the frequency of laundry by reusing towels and rewearing durable items like jeans can contribute to fewer wash cycles overall, which conserves both water and electricity. Drying clothes efficiently is another opportunity to save energy. Over-drying laundry in a machine not only wastes electricity but also accelerates the wear and tear on fabric. Many modern dryers, including moisture sensors that dictate when clothes are dry and automatically stop the cycle. Using this feature helps prevent excessive energy use and preserves garment quality. For even greater savings, households can avoid using the dryer altogether by air drying clothes. Hanging items on a drying rack indoors or a cloth line outdoors is completely free and effective, especially in warm or breezy conditions. Dishwashers also operate more efficiently when run with full loads. Running a half-empty dishwasher consumes just as many energy and water as a full one, which makes it inefficient in terms of both resource use and cost. Waiting until the dishwasher is fully loaded ensures maximum productivity from each cycle. Many dishwashers also come equipped with eco-friendly or energy-saving settings, which reduce energy and water consumption during the wash. Another helpful practice is keeping the heat-dry cycle and letting dishes air dry naturally, which further reduces overall energy use. Unplugging idle appliances is a lesser known but impactful strategy for energy conservation. Many small household appliances, including microwaves, coffee makers, and chargers, continue to draw power when plugged in, even if they are turned off. This type of energy use is easy to overlook but adds up over time. By unplugging these devices when they are not actively in use or grouping them together on a power strip that can be turned off, households can avoid this passive energy waste entirely. It's a small adjustment that contributes to noticeable savings, especially when practiced consistently. Adjusting the temperature setting on a home's water heater is another straightforward way to reduce energy use. Most water heaters are set to temperatures higher than necessary for daily use, often around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees centigrade. Lowering the settings to 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 49 degrees centigrade, still provides comfortable hot water for showers, washing dishes, and cleaning, but with less energy demand. This not only reduces energy bills, but also helps prevent accidental burns from overly hot water, making it a safe and practical option for households of all sizes. Replacing baths with showers is another way to conserve both water and energy. Baths typically require a large volume of hot water, which increases energy usage. In contrast, showers use significantly less water, especially when kept short. To increase efficiency, installing a low-flow shower head can reduce water consumption without sacrificing water pressure. These devices are inexpensive and easy to install, and they offer long-term savings on both water and energy bills. Short, efficient showers can become a regular part of any household's routine without requiring any sacrifice in comfort. During warmer months, using fans instead of air conditioners can dramatically cut down on energy use. Air conditioning units consume a high amount of electricity, particularly in regions with hot climates. Fans, on the other hand, use much less power and can create a strong cooling effect by circulating air. Ceiling fans, box fans, and standing fans can help maintain comfort levels while relying less on energy-intensive cooling systems. Additionally, taking advantage of natural ventilation by opening windows during cooler parts of the day can further reduce the need for mechanical cooling. Finally, managing sunlight during the hottest parts of the day can significantly impact indoor temperatures and the energy needed to cool a home. Sunlight entry through windows can quickly heat up indoor spaces, forcing air conditioning systems to work harder. By closing curtains, blinds, or shades during peak sunlight hours, it's possible to keep interiors cooler naturally. This passive cooling method reduces the need for continuous air conditioning and helps maintain a comfortable living environment while conserving electricity. In conclusion, energy savings at home do not require expensive upgrades or new technology. Simple behavioral changes such as turning off lights, adjusting appliance use, and managing natural heat and airflow can lead to meaningful reductions in energy consumption. These 10 strategies are completely free to implement and can become a part of everyday life with minimal effort. Collectively, they represent a small and sustainable approach to conserving resources, protecting the environment, and lowering household costs. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one. Thank you.